What's up, you guys? Today's little video is going to be about the Honda Forza and the issues with the rear shock. Today I took some advice from some of the comments I got from you guys saying that I should contact Honda to see if they'll replace the rear shocks on the Honda Forza before I actually try to upgrade them. So I'm over here at the Honda dealership where I bought my motorbike right now, and they're going to start checking out the shocks to see what they can do about it and possibly even change them. Because the bike is still under warranty. So we're just waiting for the mechanic to come out here, take a quick look at the bike and see what's up. So as you guys remember, I upgraded these shocks. Remember, I made them more stiffer and stuff, right? But after taking the bike for a long test drive, the shocks are still super weak. It's like every time I'm riding the motorbike, right, the bike just keeps on bottoming out. Every single little pothole, you can hear the back shocks just losing all the power they got inside the cylinder. To me, it's definitely, they're not strong enough. Now, whether Honda is gonna accept my claim or not, that's a whole nother topic, but let's stay tuned. All right, so the mechanics, they're gonna take the bike for a little test ride right quick. They're both gonna hop on because they're gonna put about 150 or 160 kilos of weight onto the bike to see if the shocks are good or not. So they're gonna take a quick test drive around the neighborhood and see what's up. Oh, I gotta give them the keys. 1 second, okay, let's see. Okay, bye-bye, good luck. All right, they're back. All right, so they're saying that the Honda Forza shocks, they're coming originally like this. So what I asked to do is if we could pull out one of these new Forzas and kind of test out the shock just by pushing some pressure on it to see if we can hear the noise that my bike is doing. So let's give it a shot. Yeah, as you can see, this is original. This is what's happening with the Honda Forza shock, so they're not faulty. This is the way they are. Oh no. Okay, very good. Okay, so it seems like there's actually nothing they could do about it. It's not their fault, and that's the way the shocks came with Honda. They said there's no point to file a claim because nothing's gonna happen. I'm gonna end up just wasting time, and they're not gonna replace my shocks anyway, so that kind of sucks. Well, at least we came out here, we tried, there's no results, so I guess the next thing we're gonna do is buy a new shock, man. See what happens. So anyways, thanks for watching this little video, and thanks for commenting on my page as well, because that was a good little advice y'all left me to go talk to them and see what they can do before I upgraded the shock. So once again, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Red Cowboy signing out. Bye-bye.